In this video we will learn how to add project in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the organization module on top navigation bar. Click on Project 4. Click on Add New Project button. Enter the project name and define the project budget. Enter the project timeline in date range filters. If required, select Project Manager and Coordinator from drop-downs of project. Select the filter criteria to map employees for project. Define the customer and work site and enter description. Add the working employees for project. And click on Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.